Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about ninth class biology in this third lesson animal tissues. In previous class already we discussed about what is tissue and what are the types of animal tissues are there. How many types of animal tissues are there? In previous class already I given the explanation. Animal tissues are four types. In that first one, epithelial tissue. Second one, connective tissue. Third one, muscle tissue. Fourth one, nerve tissue. Nerve tissue. In a previous class already we discussed about epithelial tissue. Today we have to discuss about second tissue, connective tissue. Okay? Connective tissue. What is connective tissue? The tissue which connects organs. The tissue, connective tissue. Second one, connective tissue. Here, what is connective tissue? The tissue which connects organs, muscles, other tissues, and bones. The tissue is called a connective tissue. What is connective tissue? The tissue which connects organs, muscles, other tissues, and bones. The type of tissue is called connective tissue. In a connective tissue, here, according to your book, 6 connective tissues are there. In that, first one we have to discuss one by one. In that first one is areolar tissue. Areolar tissue. What is areolar tissue? The connective tissue which connects or which joins other tissues. That tissue is called areolar tissue. The connective tissue which joins other tissues. That tissue is called areolar tissue. This areolar tissue, it is made up of a number of cells. These cells are called fibroblasts. What are these? Fibroblasts. What are fibroblasts? This is the very important and general knowledge question. What are fibroblasts? The areolar tissue is made up of a group of cells. Here the cells in areolar tissue that are called fibroblasts. These fibroblast cells they secrete the fibrous materials. These fibrous materials keep the tissue in their position, and the fibrous material it protect the areolar tissue from the injuries. This is about areolar tissue. Next, second one, adipose tissue. the tissue which is present below the skin, and between the organs, and store fat materials, The type of tissue is called adipose tissue. What is adipose tissue? The connective tissue which is present below the skin and between the organs, and store the fat materials, That tissue is called adipose tissue. Fats are stored in adipose tissue, and this adipose tissue, it is act as insulator. Why? Because it prevent the loss of heat from our body. That's why it is act as insulator. Next, third one, bone. Bone is the connective tissue which is responsible for framework and give support to the body. That type of tissue is called bone. What is bone? The connective tissue which is responsible for framework and give support to the body. That type of tissue is called bone. And this bone, it is made up of two types of salts. In that, first one is calcium phosphate. Bone is made up of two types of chemicals: calcium phosphate. Its formula is Ca3PO4 2. This is the formula for calcium phosphate. Second one, calcium carbonate. Its formula is CaCO3. Next, these two types of salts are secreted from a special type of cells. That cells are called osteocytes. What is the main function of bone? It is a framework and give the support to our body and give the definite shape to the organism. This is about bone. Next, fourth one, cartilage. What is cartilage? The connective tissue which is present in the bones. The connective tissue which is present in the bones and tips of nose and tips of ribs and ear and trachea. The connective tissue which is present in bones, tip of nose, tip of ribs and external ear and trachea. This trachea, it is made up of C-shaped cartilages, like this. C-shaped cartilages. Okay. Next, all the vertebrates skeleton, it is made up of bone, but the fish, some invertebrates like small fishes, big fishes like shark skeleton, it is made up of cartilage only. This is about cartilage. Next, fifth one, ligament. The the connective tissue which connects bones at the joints here. The connective tissue which connects the bones at the joints and keep them in position. That type of tissue is called a ligament, and it is very elastic in nature. This is about ligament. Next, last one, tendon. Sixth one, tendon. The connective tissue which connects muscles to the bones. That type of connective tissue is called tendon. What is tendon? The connective tissue which joins muscles to the bones, like this. This is bone and this is a muscle. This muscle and the bone connected by a tissue. This tissue is called a tendon. Okay, this is about the tissue tendon. Next, we have to see the another connective tissue. Last one. Blood. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue. Blood is a fluid connective tissue. The adult human being he consists of 5 liters of blood. 5 liters of blood. And studying about blood is called hematology. Why blood is called a fluid connective tissue? Because it is in liquid in nature. That liquid, it is made up of different types of cells. That's why it is called a fluid connective tissue. Next, blood, it is made up of two types of materials, two types of components in that. First one, blood cells and plasma.